Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video on maybe fixing a Fitbit Versa problem you might be having. My Fitbit Versa quit charging. I don't know if it was the Fitbit itself or the charger base or the charger. I looked around on the internet and looked through the forums, and I didn't really see anything. Some people would replace their base, and there's some instructions out there on resetting this, but none of that stuff didn't work for me. This thing had lost charge, and it just wouldn't charge on the base. I didn't feel like ordering another charger just to see if that was the issue. So I wanted to check out, try to figure out why it wasn't charging. I mean, the first obvious thing to do was, test the charging base and see if it works on another electronic, which, I had a bunch of these around. Everybody does, and that wasn't the problem. So then I got a voltmeter. You won't need a voltmeter to try this out, really, but I went and checked the voltage. Basically, the bottom one here will be ground, or is a ground, and the top pin is here positive. And yeah, I'm getting 5 volts. So that's what I found. I was like, oh, okay, good. It's getting electricity, so it seems like my stand works, but it still wouldn't charge. So I got to looking at it, and let's see if this will focus. I noticed that the positive pin, and this could have been any of them, but I guess the way it was designed anyway, my positive pin, the one up at the top, was just a bit lower than all the rest. So I was like, oh, I bet it's not making good contact. So check that on yours. If you're having this problem, check that on yours. And I just took a little tiny needle nose, and I just grabbed that little one, and I gently pulled it up and, checked it and got it in even with the others. Now I think that'll probably over time get mashed down and have that issue again, and I'll probably need to replace the stand. But this is a quick fix to get you going if you tried other things, and this may be what you're looking at. So give that a shot. Check all the pins, make sure they're all nice and high. If you have a voltmeter, you might check that, make sure you got voltage on there. So I guess it's possible it could have lost contact inside this case. But in my case, doing that, got it going, and now it charges again. Very happy. Thanks, guys.